How to add extra baggage with Aegean Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can add extra baggage with Aegean Airlines. The first step, log in into your Aegean Airlines account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the book a flight page, which is located on the screen. All right, together with other options like flight plus hotel package, rent a car, my booking, etc. And then the next thing would be to select the location where you're coming from as well as where you're going to. And then the next thing would be to click on search. Then you have to select your departure and your arrival date and the number of passengers. Once you've done that, scroll down and click on search. Then after clicking on search, the available flight for those days and for that particular location would be displayed. But before then, Aegean Airlines would filter the available flights to make it easier for you. So wait for it to load. Once that's loaded and you're on this page, next will be to select the kind of flight that you want. If you want business or economy. Now selecting business, you can see the two kind of business classes. Select the one you prefer the most. Click on select a returning flight. Do the same thing. Then click on continue. Then after clicking on continue, you'll be taken to the next stage, all right, where you'll be asked to enter in details about the passenger. If you are just the one, the details will be filled in automatically. But then if you want to correct it, can just go ahead and edit it. And then once you're done, move to the lower right corner again and then click on continue. Then you'll be taken to the next page where you'll be asked to select your preferred seat. Yes, you can always select your preferred seat on Aegean Airlines online. Sometimes you might have to pay. On some other occasions, or for most occasions, especially if you are using a business class like I am here, it is free. But if you are making use of an economy class, you would have to pay. As you can see, free, free, free. So just select the class you want, of the seat you want, and then click on continue. And then you'll be taken to the extra services page. This is this page where you can now add an extra baggage. All right. Yeah, you can see it here. Enhance your trip. Okay, and how can you enhance your trip? You can see add baggage, add pets, add meal, add sport equipment, etc. So what we need is a baggage. You just go ahead and click on the add option. And then you can see for the business class, you can see the baggages that has been included. Then if you want to add another piece of baggage, just click on add another piece of baggage. And then once you can see the amount that you'd have to pay to do so, then if it's okay by you, move to the lower right corner, click on confirm, and then the money of the baggage will be added to your total amount. And then you can now continue to the next stage to rent a car and then make your payment. But this is how you can add extra baggage on Aegean Airlines. Have a safe trip. Thanks for watching.